Today we'll be talking about birds of prey and everything about them. First, we're talking about hawks, are birds of prey living in Africa, Eurasia, North America, and South America. They hunt birds, rodents, rabbits, reptiles, and even foxes. They are known for their eyesight, seeing 4 to 8 times better than humans. A type of hawk is known as the osprey that eats fish as its diet. Eagle. Eagles are birds living in Africa, Eurasia, North America, and South America. They hunt birds, rabbits, reptiles, and even deer. They are large birds. The harpy eagle and Philippines eagle are the largest of them all. This is a harpy eagle and bald eagle. Falcons are another type of birds of prey that lives in all continents except Antarctica. They eat birds, reptiles, rodents, and even more. The American falcon is known for its speed, going as fast as 390 kilometers per hour. Owls live in all continents except Antarctica. They eat mostly rodents, but for owls like the Eurasian owl, they eat deer, foxes, and even other owls. Vultures are mainly live in both New and Old worlds, not Antarctica. They eat animals like dead animals and carrion, which are essentially the same thing. Secretary birds are reptile eaters in sub-Saharan Africa. They're known for eating snakes. This is secretary bird, very endangered unfortunately. And that wraps up the video. Thank you for watching.